My first creek crossing, and got someone behind me. Someone just went before me, now I got someone behind me. So pretty fucking happy about that, and here we go. I am pretty nervous, but this is okay. I'm just stay in the middle. Oh yeah, element. Shit, yeah. Oh well, plenty of people here if I get fucking stuck, that's for sure. Fuck yeah. Check that shit out. That's some fucking water. Little car wash. Heard some stories about this fucking crossing. Cars fall apart. Not this fucking one though. I'll tell you right now. She's gonna keep me going for a whole fucking year. So proud of myself. So proud of myself. Get out of the way, or I'm gonna run you over. Yeah, she wants to be in my photo because she loves her.